Hi, I'm Dr. Anna Karp, and I'm a dermatologist at SINY. Coolsculpting is a quick, affordable, painless, and non-invasive method of eliminating unwanted fat on the abdomen, arms, legs, and chin. It works on the basis of a simple premise. Fat cells freeze at a different temperature than all the other cells in the body. Therefore, when targeted fat cells are exposed to extreme deep cold, they shrivel and die and are excreted in the urine, never to return. Studies have shown that a 25% reduction in fat at the application site is achieved with just one treatment. Side effects are minimal and temporary, and they can include redness, bruising, and numbness. The procedure itself can be completed in less than an hour, and there's no downtime, so you can immediately return to your daily routine.